Very good afternoon to all of you. Now I am going to take mock interview of one of my Maharashtra student. He is going to give interview in Telangana. He is from Nanded district, Sayyid Azhar Naif Saab. Okay, start from may I come in, Sayyid?
May I come in, sir?
Yes, please come, Sayyid. How are you?
I am fine, sir. Good afternoon, first of all.
Very good afternoon. Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. First of all, tell me what is the meaning of your name?
Sir, my name is Azhar. Azhar means blossom, the group of flower, and also meaning of connecting the people.
Very good. Briefly introduce yourself.
Thank you for giving opportunity to introduce myself. I am Sayyid Azhar Nabi Saab. I am from village Dongargaon in district Nanded in Maharashtra. I have completed my BS graduation in BSc Agriculture from Vasantrao Naik Marathwada Krishi Vidyapit Parbhani. And my hobbies are dancing, playing cricket and watching cricket, and also drawing and painting.
Okay. You are from Maharashtra. On which date the election is going to be happen and counting?
In Maharashtra and in Jharkhand, sir.
In Maharashtra and Jharkhand. Date of Maharashtra election and counting of Maharashtra?
Election conducting on 20 November and result declared in 23 November.
Who is CM? And there are two deputy governors, deputy CM of Maharashtra.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me the
One
CM
is,
governor name.
One is a deputy CM is Sir Ajit Dada Pawar, and second is Sir Devendra Fadnavis sir.
And who is the CM and governor?
CM is Mr. Eknath Shinde sir, and governor is Sir Radhakrishnan.
Okay. You filled the form from Telangana. You know Telugu? Speak and understand Telugu?
Just little bit I understand Telugu, but I can't talk and write Telugu, sir.
Okay. You know Marathi and English Hindi.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then how will you manage in Telangana rural areas and all if the people will talk with Telugu? It's a big question for you.
Sir, as I mentioned in my introduction, my village is situated at Telangana Maharashtra border at near Telangana district Adilabad, and my 70 to 80% relatives are stay in Telangana. I very well know about the culture and peoples about the Telangana. When I fill the form, there is a mention about regional language Telugu and Urdu. That's why I am apply in the basis of Urdu, and my mother tongue is also Urdu, sir. That's why I apply in Telangana, sir.
You speak Urdu or you write Urdu also?
Yes, sir. I speak Urdu a little bit, write and Urdu, sir.
Okay. In Urdu, give your introduction.
Sir, Urdu is a little bit same as Hindi. So मेरा नाम सैयद अजहर नबी साहब है. मैं डोंगरगांव से बिलोंग करता हूँ, जो कि नांदेड़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट में आता है. बस.
अच्छा, Urdu is same like Hindi.
Yes, sir. Some words are different, like some Urdu words different.
Okay. What is the Urdu word of khushi?
Khushi, sir. In Urdu also khushi, and other word is not remember now.
Okay. Tell me, is there any Urdu word for government?
Government, sir. हाँ sir, सियासत.
In Hindi we call sarkari, in Urdu we call siyasat.
हाँ sir.
Okay. Tell me something about regional rural bank.
Sir, regional rural banks are the government banks that are established in 1974, and the act was passed in 1975. Today is in India there are 43 regional rural banks, and yes, sir.
Okay. How many bank is in RRB? RRB bank is in Telangana.
Telangana, two Gramin banks are now working. One is Telangana Gramin Bank, and second is Andhra Pradesh Vikas Gramin Bank.
What is the name of the sponsor bank?
Sponsor bank is State Bank of India, sir.
State Bank of India. YONO stand for?
What, sir?
YONO, YONO, mobile banking of SBI, YONO.
Yes, yes, sir. YONO is a digital online application of SBI for digital banking, sir.
Okay, who is the new chairman of SBI?
New chairman, sir. Sethi, sir, I think, sir.
Okay, in Muslim communities, there is a triple talaq bill, which are popular in UP also. What is triple talaq bill?
Sir, triple talaq bill is in Islamic culture. There are in any crisis is between family marriage couple, they have given the talaq by three talaq, triple talaq. One is talaq at a first time talaq. They are separated by for 4 months. Not sorry, sir. They are at first talaq. They are don't talk to each other but live in family. At second talaq, they are separated by family for 4 months. After three talaq, they are separated by permanently.
Only by saying.
Yes, sir.
Then currently it is continued or abolished?
Currently, it's abolished, sir, by governments.
Okay, it's very good. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. It's good for the female.
Yeah, it's good for the female. What is Shia and Sunni, if they will ask you?
Sir, Shia and Sunni are in Muslim. There are two different communities. They are different culture for namaz and other religious purpose. Sunni are follower of Hazrat Muhammad Paigambar, and Shias are also follow, but their cultural different, sir.
Okay, who is Muhammad Paigambar?
Muhammad Paigambar is the guru of Muslims all in world, sir.
Okay.
They are the first.
Okay, you know about Muhammad Yunus.
Yes, sir.
Who is he?
He is the one of Khalifa of India in Muslim.
Bangladesh. Muhammad Yunus is Bangladeshi. He is the founder of Microcredit Grameen Bank from Bangladesh. Muhammad Yunus.
Yes, sir. Yes. In Bangladesh. Sorry, sir.
Okay, who is the founder of Grameen Bank in India?
Grameen Bank in India, sir. Narsimhan Committee.
Who is the new CM of Jammu and Kashmir?
I don't remember now, sir.
Mr. Umar Abdullah, sir.
Yes, yes.
You have to know the name. These are the popular names. Okay, who is the president of US?
Donald Trump, sir.
Donald Trump is your friend?
No, sir. Sorry, sir.
Mr. Donald Trump, Sir Donald Trump. Which are the popular crops in your area? Either Maharashtra or Telangana?
Sir, popular crop in which Rabi cotton. Sorry, sir. In Kharif crop, cotton, soybean, and in Rabi crop, wheat and gram, sir.
Okay. Sayyad, you know that there are different types of cow breed in Maharashtra and Telangana. You know the name?
Yes, sir. Maharashtra breed I know very well.
Tell me.
One is Devni breed from Latur native. Second is Dangi from Nashik, and Khillari also, sir. Red Kandari also from Kandar.
Sayyad, tell me something about KCC, Kisan Credit Card.
Sir, in 1998, Kisan Credit Card is launched by government for the loan purpose of farmers in India, in which up to 3 lakh we can give the loan for farmer by bank, collateral free up to 1.5 lakhs. Loan is given to the farmer, and there are 7% is the interest rate, but under the subvention of government, 2% are reduced.
Okay. You heard about Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana?
Yes, sir.
Tell me something. आप हिंदी में भी बता सकते हैं, जिस लैंग्वेज में बताना है.
Sir, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana is renewed in 2016 by Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi ji, in which we are insurance provided to the farmer for their crops like cereal, pulses, horticultural crop, etc., in which 2% uh, 2% is, for kharif crop is 2%, rabi crops for 1.5%, and
Okay.
horticultural crop 5%.
What is small and marginal farmer?
Sir, marginal farmer is up to the land 1 hectare. 1 hectare to 2 hectare is called as small farmer.
What is MSP?
So MSP is a minimum support price that's decided by Agriculture Produce Committee.
What is the agriculture price, minimum support price for wheat or rice?
Sir, I definitely not, but about 2000 near for rice, and wheat is also 1900 something, sir.
Okay. Tell me something about repo rate and reverse repo rate definition.
Repo rate, in which the RBI gives, bank is take the loan from RBI, it's called a repo rate, and reverse repo rate, in which RBI takes loan from banks, it's called reverse repo rate.
Who is the currently governor of Reserve Bank of India?
Now the Mr. Sir Shaktikant Das is our governor.
Shaktikanta Das is our governor. Okay. Tell me something about repo rate. Or repo rate you already told me. What is difference between CRR and SLR?
CRR is in the bank, NDTL 4% is given to the RBI, is called CRR, and total of NDTL 18% are deposited or stored in self bank, is called SLR, sir.
Okay. Suppose I will posted you anywhere in Telangana rural village, then how will you manage?
Sir, I am from the local area, like village. I handle any situation in rural area. I no have any issue with the rural peoples and rural area. I think I definitely manage in any area.
Okay. Last question for you. What is your quality so that we will select you?
Sir, I am from agriculture background student. I am very well know about the farmer situations and how to implement if the scheme related to agriculture. I will very well understand the agriculture terms, and also tell the farmers very easily and understandable manner for the farmer.
Okay.
And
Okay. Guys, now I am going to give feedback to मिस्टर सैयद. ये महाराष्ट्र से हैं और तेलंगाना में इंटरव्यू देने जा रहे हैं. आप लोग मॉक सुने और इससे फीडबैक लें. मेरा नंबर है 7503235358.